So to me it's a very special conference because it's my first ever conference, and talking to all those people, talking to all those specialists in quantum computing and engineering is both motivating for my own research and reassuring that what we do actually matters. So being here with the whole research group from your field, meeting other people in the same field, it's not the same as meeting over Zoom or some other online conference tools, because it's not even only at the talks. Like, you meet at the reception, you meet at lunches, you meet when you have coffee. I hope I can attend next year as well. I hope we find something interesting again to kind of share with the quantum computing community.